Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 14th,
Okay, so let's pause right here. This guy is already out on bond for tampering, and now, boom, he's back with a new charge, burglary of a motor vehicle. That's like being on probation for burning toast and then lighting the whole kitchen on fire. What exactly is tampering, you ask? Think, interfering with evidence or physical items in a way that messes with the justice process. Not a minor deal.
2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer was flagged down by the complaining witness. The complaining witness advised the officer that a male had just broken into the complaining witness's motor vehicle and drove off in a different motor vehicle. Another witness observed the defendant break into the complaining witness's motor vehicle and provided cell phone video to...
Whoa, daylight crime, a citizen chase scene, and a foot pursuit. This isn't just a petty theft. This is practically a low-budget action film unfolding in a Harris County parking lot. The kicker? There's video evidence. And in court, video doesn't blink. That's going to haunt him harder than any angry judge.
The police. Additionally, the complaining witness observed the defendant break into his motor vehicle and chased the defendant through the parking lot. The officer pursued the defendant on foot. The defendant was detained and positively identified by both the witness and the complaining witness. The defendant admitted to breaking the complaining witness's window.
What time of day or night was this? Or was it during the day?
It's in the daytime, it appears, Your Honor, but also, like when you read the summary, it looks like an officer detained him on a bicycle and that he was wearing different clothes from the description of the foot pursuit, that clothes were ditched.
I don't know.
So then they did a drive-by identification of the suspect.
Mr. Robinson, what is the one thing I asked you not to do? The one thing I asked you not to do.
Let's zoom in on this drive-by ID. This is when police bring a suspect to the witness for a quick confirmation. Fast, but controversial. Ever heard of a show-up identification? It's efficient, but also ripe for misidentification. What do you think? Fair tactic or flawed shortcut? Drop your take below.
Not be a danger to my city or pick up a new case. You've now picked up a very I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case, and I'm now going to put a monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. If you get out of custody, because now I'm revoking your bond, you will go to jail. If he gets out, GPS monitor not to go within 500 feet.
He has a GPS monitor on him.
Putting him in custody. No alcohol, no drugs, no weapons, no going within 500 feet of where the complaining witness lives, work. And I'm going to tell you now.
And here it is, the judge's boiling point. What's the one thing I asked you not to do? Yikes. That's not just courtroom talk. That's parental disappointment level unlocked. This judge is clearly done with giving chances. You can feel the trust breaking like a window in that parking lot.
Because I don't know if you're going to get out, but if you do, you endanger my city again. I'm going to go ballistic on all of your bonds. Do you understand? Goes with you.
I have
Judge, I have no reason to doubt that.
Stop. Just, there's no need.